Welcome to Thinstall's e-learning series. This is an overview of Thinstall's application virtualization solution. Application virtualization can best be described as the breaking of the age-old bond between the physical hardware, the operating system, and the program which runs on top of them. Today, IT professionals are faced with a variety of issues. There is the need to support a more secure desktop environment, the minimization of expense associated with downtime and support issues, the management of the increasing cost of application deployment and desktop management in an environment of higher security requirements, the pressures to reduce the infrastructure costs by centralizing the IT infrastructure, in addition to the migration of the desktop operating system and application framework to such items as Microsoft Vista and Microsoft .NET, along with business continuity and disaster recovery requirements. Thinstall is a clientless application virtualization solution allowing any Windows application to be packaged and distributed as a single executable. This allows the application to be run on a host PC without changes having to be made to the local desktop's registry or file system. Unlike other solutions, Thinstall requires no pre-installed software on the workstation or server. Thinstalled applications may be run from any device such as a desktop, LAN WAN, USB flash device, or anywhere else inside the existing infrastructure where the Thinstalled application may be executed. Thinstalled applications also run entirely in user mode on lockdown PCs with no device drivers installed, enabling administrators to maintain a secure, clean, and stable user desktop. A normal Windows installation will often install hundreds of files and registry entries into the local host PC. This can often cause problems with DLL conflicts, application version conflicts, in addition to the possibility of missing prerequisites for certain Windows components. With Thinstall, we take all the files and registry entries associated with the application and compile it into single self-contained executables. Once an application has been Thinstalled, a user must simply double-click on the executable that he or she wants for the application to launch. When considering a product like Thinstall, it's important to note where application virtualization falls within the entire virtualization market. As we can see, there's four primary categories of virtualization today. We have server-based computing such as Citrix and Microsoft Terminal Services, application virtualization for applications such as Thinstall's Virtualization Suite, virtual system software such as VMware ESX, and the virtual systems hardware for both the Intel and AMD core processors. There's lots of reasons why people are switching to Thinstall, but first and foremost is the reduction in cost and time associated with their software deployments. The ability to increase the agility of the IT department in deploying new software framework technologies or maintaining changes and updates to current applications is one aspect. In addition, you can further reduce the need for QA and regression testing against multiple applications and desktop configurations by thinstalling your applications and providing the isolated environment that comes with it. You may also further optimize your current desktop management infrastructure by leveraging your investment in technologies such as Citrix and Microsoft SMS. It's also important to note that all your business continuity and disaster recovery planning can be significantly minimized by thinstalling your applications and making them more portable for your users to access. The bottom line is that Thinstall's application virtualization solution allows you to safely package and deploy your Windows-based application in minutes. With no complex client or server software to install or manage, you can be assured that with your new Thinstalled application, you will not only have the broadest level of Windows operating system support, but with the ability to transport your applications over any media, you will be able to find new and exciting uses for your applications within your infrastructure that were never possible before.